Welcome to Code, Clicks, and Convert, a podcast by B3Net. Here we talk about digital marketing, artificial intelligence, and web development. I'm Vera.
And this is John.
Together, we bring expertise in digital marketing, AI, development, and all things tech. In each episode, we'll cover the latest updates, tools, and strategies, all shaping the digital world. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a developer, there's something here for you.
So plug in, grab your coffee, and let's get into it.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that half your website traffic has vanished overnight. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what happened when Google launched its AI mode. And it's not just another update. It's a seismic shift in how we search, find, and consume information online. In today's episode, we'll break down what this change means, how it's affecting creators and businesses, and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. You're a digital marketer, John. Be honest. How did you feel when this update dropped?
Oh, I felt a bit of a jolt, to be honest. I haven't seen a major impact on the sites I manage yet. But the update itself? It's big.
Right. This one actually shifts how search behaves at the core.
I've been reading through the changes and yeah, it's not just another minor tweak.
Exactly.
It's changing how people find information, how results are displayed, and even how content is being pulled into AI overviews. So while things might look stable now, it definitely makes you pause and think, are we prepared for what's coming next?
And when you hear that some big publishers are already seeing major drops,
Yeah, those numbers are absolutely staggering. Business Insider losing 55% of their traffic. That's the kind of drop that reshapes entire business models.
well, what's really fascinating is how this isn't just affecting one or two sites. The Washington Post and Huffington Post both saw 50% drops. We're witnessing the end of the traditional search era as we've known it for nearly 3 decades.
And it's not just about traffic numbers, right? The whole way people interact with information is fundamentally changing.
Exactly. Think about how we used to search. Multiple tabs open, cross-referencing sources, spending hours researching. Now Google's AI mode, powered by Gemini 2.5, just serves up comprehensive answers instantly.
You know what really catches my attention? The way it handles different types of searches. For commercial and informational queries, we're seeing these incredibly detailed responses, sometimes up to 2,000 words with 50 citations.
And let's talk about those citations for a moment. Pages that were previously buried on page 2 are suddenly getting visibility. It's like Google's redistributing the digital real estate in real time.
Though that comes with its own set of challenges. Have you seen some of these AI hallucinations? The glue and pizza sauce recommendation is wild.
Oh my goodness, yes. And don't forget about that completely made-up idiom about licking badgers. These aren't just funny mistakes. They highlight serious concerns about information accuracy in this new AI-driven landscape. So, what are businesses supposed to do? It seems like traditional SEO strategies are becoming less effective by the day.
Well, that's where answer engine optimization comes in. It's fascinating how businesses are having to completely restructure their content strategy. Instead of just targeting keywords, they're now optimizing for AI comprehension. The emphasis on business directories is particularly interesting. They've become crucial now that AI tools are pulling information directly from these sources. And how mobile AI mode shows 50% fewer citations compared to desktop searches. That's a huge consideration for content creators.
And let's not forget voice search. People don't talk to their devices the same way they type. It's more like, hey, where's the nearest coffee shop? Instead of just typing, coffee shop near me. So yeah, businesses really need to start thinking about those natural question-style searches, especially the who, what, when, where, and why kind of stuff.
Absolutely. Voice search has been around for a while, but now it's more important than ever. With smart assistants everywhere, people are asking full, natural questions. And if you're not optimizing for those 5W-style queries, you're falling behind. And we now see a lot of people using Gemini Live and ChatGPT to talk and get information.
Not just people. I do it too. Last weekend, it helped me bake a cake for my nephew. Actually turned out good.
Same here. I got my car started last night. Well, not exactly fixed, but hey, it made it to the workshop and that counts.
You know what's really interesting? This shift is actually creating opportunities for smaller businesses. If they can structure their content correctly and build authority in their niche, they might actually have a better chance of being featured in AI responses than they did in traditional search results.
Though maintaining direct relationships with customers seems more important than ever, given how AI is becoming this new gatekeeper to content.
Absolutely right. We're seeing a huge emphasis on first party data and owned marketing channels. Email lists, apps, direct communication. These are becoming critical lifelines for businesses. So, what's your take on the future of digital marketing in this new landscape?
Well, I think we're moving from a search-based model to what I'd call an answer-first economy. The businesses that will thrive are those that can adapt quickly, maintain information accuracy, and build strong direct relationships with their audience. It's not just about surviving the change, it's about finding new opportunities in this evolving digital landscape. That's such an important perspective on these changes. It's not all doom and gloom, it's about adaptation and innovation.
And before we wrap up, I think it's worth emphasizing that while these changes might seem overwhelming, they're also democratizing access to visibility in search results. The key is understanding how to structure your content for this new AI driven world while maintaining authenticity and accuracy in your information. Thanks for tuning in to Code, Clicks, and Convert. We hope today's discussion helped you make sense of the evolving digital landscape.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.